So let me show you my challenge. We've got to move everything from the shop up to the shed when it's done, and it's a lot. It's crammed, and I am embarrassed of how it looks right now, but figured I would show you guys. We're pretty packed in here. It's actually horrible to do any type of a project in here. There just isn't any room. And all of these cabinets, they are all packed. Again, apologize for the light, but yeah, this is going to be a job moving all this stuff out of here. But looking forward to it. Looking forward to getting in our new shed.
We're each on a square. This is our long or our short. Our first measurement was our first measurement. Okay, so this is our short. Hey, Kevin, we're gonna have to go over grade. I got the nice dirt and those samples in it. That'll stop us quick as prior, and that's what we do. I don't know. Keep going this one, I'll tell you.
Looking at that skid steer operate compared to the 3-point post hole digger that we're all probably used to is really just almost comical, the difference.
So they used to, I remember when I was a kid, they'd be pulling that auger out of the hole, but that auger was spinning 6 times as fast as this.
Yeah.
And then they
keep cleaning it out. And well, this is the end of day one. The guys got a lot accomplished. These holes that they're digging are 2 feet in width and 4 feet in depth, going down to a pretty hard clay bottom. And we've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, it's like about 14 holes that they've dug. Tomorrow, more material arrives. The other good news is that the building inspector came and did give his assent for us to be able to continue, and said that the holes are dug properly. Good news. Let's keep going. You know, I should mention too that for the first couple days of this project, it was in the mid to upper 80s, tons of humidity, and I gotta tell you, I give these guys so much credit, but they were absolutely dying out there, especially towards the second half of the day. Well, the metal just arrived. And we are getting there.